you just need 2 ingredients. You need organic oats. You can use steel cut or rolled oats, it doesn't matter. And very cold water. That's it, just 2 ingredients, and if you want to sweeten it, we'll talk about that in a second. Now, most of the recipe that you will see out there will tell you to just put the rolled oats into a blender and water, and then just blend it up. But what we found was that when we did that, what happens when I...
Became slimy.
Slimy and sticky and really thick, almost like glue, like paper mache texture. Blech. Anyway, I discovered that a way to make it not slimy, right, Matthew?
Yeah. Yay!
Wow, you're so
I'm
excited.
So happy.
And the secret is that I would take the oats and put it in a blender and turn that into oat flour, which I use for pancakes or baking anyway. So I use my Vitamix and I mix it really fine. Then, when all we have to do now is add it to the blender, but we don't have to blend. So, if you want to flavor your oat milk, yeah, dates. Matthew loves to flavor the oat milk with dates, right? So, if you're planning to do that, I mean, you can use vanilla, honey, whatever. If you're planning to do dates or any kind of fruits, you would put that in the blender first with some water, blend it up. Then you can add the oat flour. So Matthew, can you scoop up 1 cup of oat flour and put it into, yeah. So the ratio is you want 1 to 4. So 1 cup of oat to 4 cups of water. And also, it's not a rule that's written in stone, so it just depends how thick you like your milk or how rich you like your milk. So we like 1 to about 4 cups. And all you do is you add your cold water. Oh, let me move this out of the way. Cold water, that's the secret. See, this is the trick. So if you were to use this in the blender, you know, blender generates heat, and what happens is then it gets all sticky and gooey. So we don't like that. So I find that when we do this, the powder is so fine that you don't even have to blend it. We just basically stir it. Can you stir this for me, Matthew? So just stir it up. And the next step is to filter it. And I made these nut bag, but you can buy these. I just had these fine mesh material lying around, so I just quickly sewed that into a pouch, and then just put it over a bowl. Good job. And we'll just pour this in. Do you want to help pour it in, or is it too heavy? You can do it? Okay. Yeah, hold this.
Look at the color of it. It's chunky.
Well, that's why we're just straining it. Okay, that's good.
Oh.
Stop.
Now I know why I don't drink this.
You were recording this and you're just walking right in front of the camera. Oh my god. Anyway,
On the
clean
first
hands.
2 videos,
Just
I was
use
like,
clean
good.
hands.
I'm so happy.
Thanks.
In the middle.
And it's shaking.
I know. This is a disaster.
Hey. Well, I'm
Everything
not
was-
editing it.
Everything was going great until I came in here.
Okay, so we'll do that for now. So just to show you, we can just do the rest in a second.
Are you gonna blend that?
No, you don't have to blend it. That's all you need to do. And then we'll just pour it in there. That's your oat milk. See? So Matthew can try it. Goodness. that stir. Thanks.
I'm not saying
Okay,
that.
Matthew's gonna try it. And what do you think? Good? So
What's
you
wrong
can,
with water? Just drink
you can
water.
make it with different
Save an
flavors.
oat, drink water.
Oh, be quiet. You can flavor it with strawberries, raspberry, blueberry, and this one we did, it was green tea, right? Yeah, so you can make different flavors. But Matthew likes the oatmeal with the dates the best, right?
The
Can I have a
normal.
sip? So I'm going to strain the rest, and that's it. That's as easy as it goes. You can actually refrigerate it, like we usually put it in a jar like this, and you can refrigerate it for up to 5 to 7 days in the fridge. Okay, and so you just continue adding water to this.